Welcome to the Travel CEO Tribe channel. This is your go-to channel destination for turning your passion for travel into a profitable six-figure business. Are you ready to launch your own travel business and get paid to explore the world? Whether you're looking to create a thriving full-time career or you want a flexible side hustle, this channel gives you the expert guidance to become a successful luxury travel entrepreneur. Successful. Here's what you'll learn here. You'll get step-by-step guides to start your own travel agency from home. You'll get how to tap into your luxury travel markets and attract high-end clientele. You'll learn proven strategies to build a six-figure income with your travel bookings. You'll also get expert tips for marketing your travel business online and on social media. You'll get exclusive advice on offering VIP experiences for your luxury clients, family clients, or your solo travelers, and all in between travelers. You'll also get success stories and interviews with top luxury travel agents who have gone from zero to six figures and who can tell you how they did it, how they got there, and the steps that you need to take to do the same. So, looking to break free from that 9 to 5, we'll show you how to build a work from home, anywhere business that lets you travel the world and get paid for your passion. Whether you want to specialize in luxury cruises, five-star resorts, exclusive getaways, or you want to specialize in Disney cruises, Disney family resorts, or solo girls trips, so many options that we'll have. So we've also got the tools to help you to be successful in it and insider tips to help you thrive in your business. So take your business to the next level, get actionable insights on how to book luxury trips, how to book those solo trips, those girls trips, those family trips. Partner with exclusive resorts. You'll partner with cruise ship and cruise entities. And with that, you'll boost your revenue. Learn how to master high ticket sales and offer bespoke travel experiences that keep clients coming back. You want their experience to be so great that the only person they think of when it's time to book that next travel experience is you. You'll also gain access to a supportive community. And I mean supportive community of travel entrepreneurs with the same drive for success as you. We all know that there's enough out here for all of us. And so nobody is selfish. We all want each other to succeed. So we are here to help each other to be successful. You don't find that everywhere. So don't wait. Start building your travel empire today. Subscribe for these tutorials and success tips and these step-by-step instructions on how to turn your travel passion into a profitable business, whether you're just getting started or ready to scale. Travel CEO Tribe gives you everything you need to succeed in the luxury travel industry, the family travel industry, the solo travel industry, the friend groups, frat boys travel industry. Whatever industry that you want to be your niche, we are here to help. So hit the subscribe button now to join Travel CEO Tribe and take your first step for the life of freedom, adventure, and financial independence. Let's build your dream travel business together. Ask me how you get started. The first step is so simple, and you get a prize at the end.